The first full trading week of November is jam-packed. Global politics continue to be in the spotlight. U.S. President Donald Trump kicked off his 12-day trip to 5 different Asian nations. North Korea and trade are expected to top his agenda as he travels to Japan, South Korea, China, Vietnam, and the Philippines. Many corporate leaders will also accompany Trump, including Lloyd Blankfein of Goldman Sachs, Steve Mollenkopf of Qualcomm, Kevin McAllister of Boeing, and Andrew Liveris of Dow DuPont. Looking ahead to the calendar, on Tuesday, November 7th, the RBI is expected to stay on hold with rates unchanged at 1.5%. Meanwhile, the Bank of Canada will be in the spotlight as Central Bank Governor Stephen Pawles is set to deliver a speech in Montreal. And on Wednesday, November 8th, the RBNZ meeting is expected to show no change in rates, holding at 1.75%. Since the election of a new government, the Kiwi currency has been dragged lower on concerns over new policies. And on Thursday, November 9th, inflation figures will be coming out from China. Also, German trade balance figures are expected to come in at $21 billion in September. Exports are forecast to slip 1.1% and imports forecast to rise 0.3%. And September UK manufacturing as well as industrial production figures will be in the spotlight alongside trade data. Industrial and manufacturing production are both forecast to rise 0.3% month over month. And at the end of the week on Friday, November 10th, it is fairly quiet on economic data. Secondary and tertiary figures include the University of Michigan's Consumer Sentiment Index, the preliminary reading for November, and that is set for release following the 100.7 reading for October. Given the recent surge in oil prices, the U.S. Baker Hughes oil rig count may be in the spotlight in the afternoon. Let's take a look at the Forex markets at the beginning of the week. And moving on to commodity, a quick look at oil prices and spot gold futures. And that does wrap it up for today. From the New York Stock Exchange, I'm Remy Blair reporting for ICM Capital.